In this video, we will show you how to assemble a Microsoft Surface Pro into the Polycom MSR dock. Make sure that the Surface Pro has been re-imaged with Windows 10 IoT or Windows 10 Enterprise operating system and Skype Room System software prior to assembly. First, remove the contents from the Polycom MSR dock shipping box. Make sure you place them on a mat or thick cloth and not directly on the table to prevent any table scratches. Then remove the Surface Pro retaining trim by unscrewing the top and bottom screws with the included hex key. Peel off the blue protective sheet from the thermal conductive surface. Insert the Surface Pro, which has been re-imaged with the Skype Room System version 2 application, into the dock. Connect the 3 cables on the right side of the dock to the Surface Pro. Connect the 42-pin connector first and then the mini display cable before connecting the USB cable so that the mini display cable comes under the USB cable, like so. Once all the cables are connected, attach the Surface Pro retaining trim, screwing in the top and bottom screws. Optionally, you can use a power tool, but make sure to use the minimum torque settings to prevent any damage to the screws. Next, attach the outer plastic bezel to the dock. Make sure the top and the bottom of the bezel are securely latched to the dock. The bezel should fit into the grooves on the bottom. Lift up the bezel slightly so it latches to the hook on the top to place it in securely. Turn the dock over. Face it down so it's easier to screw. Put the 4 screws into the holes and screw them. You can use the rounded tip of the hex key so you can angle it and screw the bottom screws, like so. Next, remove the bottom plate by unscrewing the 5 torque screws. Connect the power supply, USB cables for camera and audio device, the network cable, and HDMI cables. Then attach the bottom plate with 5 screws. This should lock down the cables so they don't come off easily. You are now ready to turn on the Surface Pro by pressing the upper right power button on the MSR dock for the initial system setup.